We'll move on to the next concept in portfolio management, which is Sharpe optimum portfolio. Okay, Markowitz gave his optimum portfolio ratio. Okay, that is how much weight should be given to each security in the portfolio for optimum return. Okay, like that Markowitz also gave. Okay, in case of portfolio with 3 securities, how to do it. Okay, he gave us a critical line equation and a minimum risk portfolio, that is minimum variance portfolio he gave. Okay, so Sharpe also is going in the path of Markowitz, so he also gave his optimum portfolio, that how does a optimum portfolio look like which has maximum return and minimum risk. Okay, how to calculate it, we'll see. Okay, the first step here will be, now what are we trying to calculate here is we are trying to get a weight. Okay, so now here what Sharpe uses is, firstly he uses trainer ratio. Okay, trainer ratio, what is trainer ratio? It is, I'll just tell you the formula first. It is ER, that is your expected return, minus RF, that is your risk free rate, and divided by beta of securities. Okay, it is also known as volatility. Okay, it is also known as volatility ratio. Okay, that we'll see in the later part of video. That is, it is based on volatility. Volatility means what? Your beta. Okay, beta represents the volatility of the security with respect to market. Okay, so it uses volatility. Now if you want to remember how to find this, we can see how do we do it. So what they are saying is RM trainer ratio. What we are finding basically is security risk premium. Okay, if you want to know how it is, we'll see. Okay, so what they are doing is, now our expected return is equal to RF plus beta RM minus RF. Okay, this is the formula normally. Okay, so now what we are doing is expected return minus, okay, expected return minus, what we are taking out is what is he trying to find is not security risk premium, it is risk premium. What is risk premium? RM minus RF. Okay, so if you do it like this, see ER minus RF. Okay, now what we are trying to do is, we'll take beta as in multiplication here. Okay, so we'll take it in divide, so RM minus RF. Okay, he's just trying to find market premium, market risk premium. Okay, that is what he is trying to find, trainer ratio. This you can use it to remember. Okay, next, now we have calculated trainer ratio for each of the securities in the question. Okay, each of the security we have to calculate. Okay, that is, we have given certain securities, we have to make a portfolio, so we are trying to find the weight of it. The first thing what we are doing is we are finding the risk premium of in the market. Okay, we are using trainer ratio. Okay, it is ER minus RF divided by beta. Okay, now what we need to do is, now we have to prepare a table. Okay, how will that table look like? Now we have to prepare a table. Okay, table we have to prepare. What is the table called? The table is called as ranked table. Ranked table. Okay, ranked table it is called. Okay, so what we do is, now we do it of each security. Okay, ER minus RF divided by beta we do of each security. We'll get a value. Let's suppose one security got a value of 2.15, another security got value of 2.30, another security got value of 4. Okay, so which one got higher trainer ratio? This fourth one. So we'll write fourth one first. Okay, we'll write trainer ratio here, and here security. Okay, so we'll write secure, which one got highest, we'll write it in descending order. Okay, so highest first 4, 2.3 and 2.15. Okay, so we wrote this, and corresponding security, let's suppose this was C and this was A and this was B. Okay, we'll write corresponding securities of them. Okay, I got for A security, C security I got 4, for B security I got 2.3 as trainer ratio, and for B security I got 2.15. Okay, I have written here, I wrote trainer ratio here. Okay, next what we do is, now this is related to market. Now we need for unsystematic risk also. This denotes systematic risk. Now we need unsystematic risk. So how do we find unsystematic risk? We'll take unsystematic risk as divide. Okay, and above we'll write beta. Okay, so since this is in square, variance is in square, we'll do variance here also. We'll add square here. Okay, so how much is the beta affected with respect to your unsystematic risk? Okay, so that's what we are finding. So we'll write one thing here. Okay, so we'll give number. Okay, 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, now here we'll get some value. Okay, beta divided by unsystematic risk. This part will be given in question. Okay, this part will be given in question. Okay, this part will be given in question. Now what we'll do? Now we'll do fourth column, that is your cumulative of 3. Okay, here we would have got, let's suppose the value of 0.50, 0.25, 0.30. Okay, whatever the value it is, we'll write cumulative. The first one will be same, right? The next one we'll add it with this. Okay, 0.75. Okay, here the next one will add it with this 0.105. Okay, this is cumulative we found. Now what we do in the fifth column? Okay, what we do in the fifth column, it is, we will multiply trainer with beta divided by USR. Beta square divided by USR. Okay, that is what we are doing effectively is 2 multiplied by 3. Okay, 2 multiplied by 3 we are doing. Okay, this is beta square divided by USR. So trainer ratio beta square divided by USR we are doing. Okay, this is my column number 5. Okay, here we will get answer. Okay, this into this we'll get an answer, right? Next we'll do cumulative of this. Okay, cumulative of the first one and the next cumulative figure we'll find. Okay, now next, the last one, 7th part is your important part. This is your C value. What is the C value? Your C value is equal to variance of market into your 6th column, that is your trainer ratio into beta square divided by USR cumulative we got in 6th, right? Okay, so this one will take divided by 1 plus variance of market into your 4th part, that is your cumulative of beta square divided by unsystematic risk. Okay, so this we will find. We'll find the C value. Okay, now the C value we would have gotten an amount. Okay, let's suppose 2.25. Okay, we got an amount of 2.25. Okay, here C value we got C value, there is some thing is given here. Okay, some ratios will be given here. We have to select the highest value. Okay, highest value we have to select. We selected 2.25. Okay, this is the highest value, let's suppose. Okay, now what we do, we'll select only those securities which have highest highest C value. Okay, this is C value, right? We'll select those securities which have values above this C value. Okay, trainer ratio above this C value. So what is my trainer ratio above this is 2.3 and 4. Okay, 2.25 greater than is 2.3 is greater than 2.25 and 4 is greater than. Okay, we'll select both these securities. Now what we need to do, we need to find Z value of this security. Okay, what is Z value? Z value is beta divided by USR. Here we will just write beta, okay, not beta square, okay, into your trainer ratio minus your cutoff. Okay, cutoff is what? The highest figure we took now of C value. This is your cutoff. Okay, so your cutoff you got 2.25. Okay, your trainer ratio of each security divided by beta of individual and divided by USR of individual, unsystematic risk. Okay, so this is your Z value. Now we get Z value of both the securities, and after getting both the securities Z value, we'll do weights. How we'll do weights? We'll take Z value of one security divided by 1 plus 2. Okay, simply we'll do weights. Okay, weight is very much simple. Okay, so this was the main part. The table part was the main part. Your C value was the main part. Okay, so that you need to see. That is what is given here in all steps. I have told you all the steps. I have explained you all the steps. The first one you do we calculate trainer ratio, ER minus RF divided by beta. Okay, and then we prepare rank table. How we do it? Security first. Okay, first we'll write trainer ratio and then we'll write corresponding security, and we'll do beta square divided by USR. Okay, beta square divided by USR we write. Okay, for unsystematic risk. Okay, and then we'll do cumulative, okay, of this one, and trainer ratio into, that is 2 into 3 we do. Okay, 2 into 3 we do, and then we'll write cumulative of this, and we'll get, for the 7th column we'll have to find C value. What is C value? That is your variance of market into column 6 divided by 1 plus variance of market into column number 4. Okay, 6 divided by 4, you have to remember this. You have to do rut of this only. Okay, I don't have any explanation for this, just memorize the formula. Next we'll find the highest C value and we'll take it as cutoff. Okay, and securities having trainer ratio more than cutoff point should be selected. Okay, and we'll calculate Z value. What is Z value? It is beta divided by USR into trainer ratio minus your cutoff point. Okay, next we'll calculate proportion of weight. Normally you will do it, right? Z value of a security divided by value of 1, value of 2. Okay, we'll add of all securities and we'll multiply it with 100. Okay, so this is your Sharpe Optimum portfolio. I've tried to explain it better. Okay, now we'll see. Only one question is given in your module. We'll just, in your question bank, we'll solve it. Okay, Sharpe Optimum portfolio. So what it is, we'll see. Question number 46. Ramesh wants to invest in a stock. He has the following information about individual securities. Okay, Ramesh is a person who wants to invest in stock market. Okay, following information is given. What is it? A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, 6 securities are given here. Their expected return is given here. Their beta is given here, and their this is your unsystematic risk. It is denoted by what? It is denoted by square EI. Okay, sigma square EI. It is denoted by that. Okay, and your unsystematic risk is given here, and market index variance is given. Okay, market variance is given, and risk-free rate is given. Okay, 7%. What should be the optimum portfolio? Assuming no short sales. Okay, this no short sales, for now you just ignore. Short sales means I'll explain it to you in the next question. Okay, in the next topic We have one question there, short sales. I'll explain it there. For now, just hold it. Okay. Here there is, we will have to just assume that no short sales means no borrowing. Okay. For now, just remember that. We'll see it in detail in derivative chapters. It is very much interesting. Okay, it is very good. I'll explain it to you in the derivative chapter when we learn it. Okay, it is very much interesting. So first what we need to do is trainer ratio we need to find. What is trainer ratio? ER minus RF divided by beta. Okay, ER minus RF is given here divided by beta V2 for every security we get. Okay, see, the first one we did. Okay, security they have given, they have calculated trainer ratio. Okay, now next, the second step is we prepare rank table. Okay, we put the, this they have not written it properly. I show it in my book. Okay, in my book it is given clearly. I have prepared notes of it. Okay, it will be very much easy for you, but I have not written it properly. Okay, just adjust. Okay, trainer ratio we got, will arrange it in highest to lowest. Okay, highest is 5.33. I arranged it here. Okay, 4.67 second. Okay, I arranged, and corresponding security name I have written here. Okay, next, beta square divided by USR. Our third column was beta square divided by USR, right? That is how much unsystematic risk in with respect to beta. Okay, so that we calculated, we got an amount. Okay, we got an amount. Now we do cumulative of it. Okay, we do cumulative of it. Okay, that is this plus this figure, this plus this, we got this plus this, we got this plus this, we got this. Okay, like that we have to do cumulative, and we do 2 into 3, that is trainer ratio into b square divided by USR. We get a figure. Okay, and next cumulative we do of all these securities. Okay, cumulative we do, and then we will find C value. What is C value? C value is variance of market. Variance of market is given, see, variance of market is given as 10%. Okay, we'll write directly as 10. Okay, don't take it square. Okay, into your sixth column first. Okay, divided by 1 plus 10 into 0.5625, that is your fourth column cumulative. Okay, so we get 1.923. Like that you have to take. Okay, take it in 3 decimals. Okay, you have to find it for all. Okay, now what is the highest figure here? The highest figure here is my 2.814. Okay, we'll take it as cutoff. Okay, we'll take this as cutoff. Now this is my cutoff, so we'll compare it with all the trainer ratio. Okay, what is above 2.814? This one is above 2.814. This one is not. This one is not. This one is not. This one is not. This one is. Okay, so first and last, that is security A and F are selected. Okay, now we need to find beta of it. For that we need Z value. Okay, what is Z value? Z value is beta divided by USR. Okay, there is no square here, keep it in mind, into your trainer ratio 5.33 minus your cutoff ratio, that is 2.814. Okay, that I've done here. Okay, 5.33 minus 2.814, beta of my security A and USR of security A, that is given in question. Okay, we get a value, and for security F also we get a value. We'll just do normal weights of it. Okay, Z value divided by sum of all Z, that is this plus this. Okay, we get the ratio. Okay, so we have to invest in this ratio only. Okay, so that's it for this Sharpe Optimum portfolio. We just have one question in the module, so we have solved it. We have discussed the topic also. We have covered the question bank and we have covered the concept book also. Okay, that's it for this lecture. Tata, bye bye.